So welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to put image in center in Word. There is a unique and professional way to center an image in Microsoft Word is by using one by one invisible table. So go to the insert and click on the table and click on the insert table and put the number of columns 1 and put the number of rows 1 and click OK. Drag the bottom border of the table cell down and until it covers the desired area or the entire page. Now right click inside the cell and select the table properties and go to the cell tab and choose the center and click OK. Now click inside the cell and insert your image. Go to the insert and select the picture from your device. I have this picture. Click insert. So with the image selected, go to the home tab and click the center icon, or you can even press Ctrl+E to make it center. You can resize it like this one. So now you can hide the borders. For this you need to click this four-sided arrow and go to the table design and click on the borders and click on the no borders. So this way you can put image in center in Word. So there is another quick way, which is the inline method. If your image is in line with the text, then treat it like a word and simply you need to press Ctrl+E to make it center. So there is another method, which is the picture to shape fill method. This is a pro level designer trick that makes centering much easy. For this you need to insert a shape. Go to the insert and click on the shapes and click the rectangular shape and then go to the shape format and click on the alignment and make it align center, or you can align middle. It's up to you which option you use. I'll be selecting align center. Now this is the time to fill the image. Right click the shape and click on the format shape, and under the fill you need to click on the picture and go to the insert from a file and select a picture from your computer. So this image is now locked inside the perfectly centered container and won't jump around. So there is a layout position method, which is the anchor total control. Instead of dragging, you can use the mathematical alignment to the page margin. For this you need to select the image and ensure the text wrapping. Click on this layout option and is set to square or in front of text. And now head to the layout tab and click on the position. And here you can position the picture. Again go to the position and this is the top and center and this is the middle center. So this way your image is now mathematically centered on the paper regardless of where your text starts or ends. So there is another method, which is the alignment guides. If you prefer a manual touch but want it perfect on the hidden guides, for this you need to enable guides. So then go to the layout tab and click on the align. This is the align and check the use alignment guides. And now drag your image towards the middle of the page like this one. And now your image is perfectly centered. So by using these methods, you can easily put image in center in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.